Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Jamestown, New York, home of Dawson Metal Company. A family-owned and operated business since 1946, Dawson is the leading manufacturer of high-quality metal fabrications and architectural products. Clients around the world are loyal to Dawson for two reasons: guaranteed quality and unparalleled service. From modest to ornate, each project is designed and fabricated through a personalized approach to the exact specifications required. Your dedicated Dawson support team is laser-focused on meeting your budget and schedule. Dawson has remained at the forefront of every industry they serve through constant innovation. Their newest line of architectural entrances, Transcend, is the bridge between memorable design and total energy compliance. Dawson's thermally broken technology builds the industry's highest energy efficiency into every Transcend entrance. Combined with finish choices, Transcend ensures that beautiful doors are functional doors that last. Dawson maintains certification of all international industry standards year after year. With core values that emphasize quality and service, Dawson cares about the details. Their advanced technologies and experts can give you the same competitive advantage that explains why customers have been returning to them for more than 75 years. Dawson's mission is simple: to achieve total customer satisfaction by continuously improving their processes to provide quality products on time and at a fair price. The new Transcend line is the latest innovation to demonstrate Dawson's unique commitment to excellence. Visit Dawson Metal Company and see what they can do for you today at dawsonmetal.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.